Finally, the mail is coming. Okay, this is EasyStore, Western Digital EasyStore, 5 terabyte. Let's open it up. Connect it to my computer. Okay. Okay, let me see. I will change it to partition. Disk manager. Okay, I separate this drive to 2 partitions. What I need. Okay, it's ready to do some test. 2 partitions, one is the F drive, another G drive. I'll test the F drive first. This is the F drive result. Now change it to G drive test. This is a G drive test result. These 2 drives are on the same disk. Actually, the partitions are on same disk. Now change the file size to 128 MB and do another test. Still select the F drive. Okay, the tests are finished. I have done 3 tests. The first 2 tests are tested different portion of a disk because the F drive and the G drive are on the same disk. The third test is tested different size of a file. You can see the test results. Actually, there is no big difference. I bought this from Bestbuy. That was on sale. It's $90. I think it's a very good price. Okay, that's all for today. Thank you for watching.